Hi, I'm Beth Weiland-Benko, the owner of Group W Genealogy. Here is a tech bit, a small piece of technology to improve both your genealogical research and your proficiency with your computer. Traditionally, software programs have been delivered to users on a variety of media, floppy disks, CDs, or DVDs. Floppy disk drives have gone the way of the dodo bird. CD and DVD readers are even becoming a rarity on today's skinny laptops. Storing the installation disks and being able to find them later can sometimes be a problem. If you bought a new computer tomorrow, would you know where all your installation disks are so you could load your favorite programs on your new machine? Today, many software vendors are giving you the option to download the software installer, and they will frequently charge extra to mail you the installation disk. I almost always choose a download rather than the physical media and take steps to safely store the downloaded installation files. Over the past few weeks, I've explained my system for storing software installers and customer keys to a couple of genealogy friends. I'm making this video to document the process for easy reference. I will be using legacy family tree software in this example, but the process should work for any software that you can download. The vendor's website will usually contain a link where you can download their software. So here we see for Legacy 9, here's the link to download their free standard edition. Now for Legacy, the only thing that distinguishes the free standard edition from their deluxe edition is the input of a customer key. So we can download the standard edition quite easily here. Click here. We go to another screen where we have to click again to download, and then enter email address, first name, last name. I'm confirming that I'm not a robot. Going to the next step, and I am told that they will send me an email telling me where I can download the software. Now they're doing this just so that they can collect an email address from me and verify that that's a working email address. So now I'm on their mailing list, but I'm on their mailing list anyway, so it really doesn't matter. Here's the email that I received from Legacy Family Tree. So they've given me a link where I can download the software, a link for some additional help, and even a reference to a free training video. It's all good information. If I click here, I will download the software. Click here to actually do the download. And we see down here, the download has begun. It will take several minutes because it's 92 megabytes. So I'll be back in just a minute. The download has almost finished. This is the Chrome browser, so the download will show up here. In Firefox, you'll have a blue arrow near the top of the screen. The download is now finished, and I could click here to execute the installer. We'll also notice that Legacy has put the installer into my downloads directory. The default download directory is just under downloads on this PC. So here it is. Now I could execute it from here. I could store it from here forever. However, if you're like me, your downloads directory gets quite full. Mine will have a couple hundred files in it in a month's time. So I'm going to move the installer from here and store it in a safer place. So I will right-click here and cut to remove it from here. Go over to My Documents. I have a software directory here. And under the software directory, I have a folder for every piece of software that I've downloaded. Here's the one for Legacy Family Tree, and I'm just going to paste the installer into there. Take a look at that folder, and we'll see here's my installer for Legacy Family Tree. Now when I purchased the deluxe version of Legacy Family Tree, the company sent me an email that contained an unlock code and a download access password. So I copied the body of that email into a text file, using Notepad, and I stored that file in this same folder. So here's legacy9.txt, and we'll take a look at what's in there. So it has my access password, there's a Legacy 9 unlock code for the PDF user manual that I purchased from them, and also for the software that I purchased from them. Note that they also call the unlock code the customer number, so I made a note of that in this text file. You can use Notepad and make a text file with this, or you can just copy the information out of email and paste it into your word processor and store a document that way if you'd like. But now I have this file, all the information I need to turn on the features for the deluxe version of the program, and I store that right next to where the installer is. So I have all of that available to me. Life will be easier if I need to reinstall the software on my PC. If my hard drive ever needs to be replaced, I know where the software installer is and where the keys are to turn on the deluxe features of Legacy Family Tree. If I want to install software on my laptop or a second computer, I can copy the Legacy Family Tree software folder to a thumb drive and plug that into the second computer and do the installation from there. Or I can access the software folder on my first computer from the second one through my home network. Make sure that the software licensing agreement for a particular piece of software allows you to install on a second computer, though. By purchasing the deluxe version of Legacy Family Tree, I'm permitted to install the software on all of my personal home computers. There's a reference to the licensing agreement in the notes below this video. This will also be useful if I get a new computer and I want to install my software there. So, to review, move the software installer, which is typically either a .exe or a .msi file, from the download folder to another folder. The .msi stands for Microsoft Installer, by the way. By convention, I put my software installers into a folder called Documents /software / the program name. For example, Documents, Software, Legacy Family Tree. I save any user keys, passwords, customer IDs, unlock codes, etc. into a file in the same folder. And then I make sure that that software folder is included in any backups that I do. Everything will be all together in one place, easy to use to restore a hard drive, to reinstall the software, or in the happy event that I get a new computer. I hope this discussion has been helpful to you and that you will use this information to organize your software downloads, customer IDs, unlock codes, etc. Thanks for listening. This has been another in a series of Tech Bits videos brought to you by Beth Weiland-Benko of Group W Genealogy. If you have comments or suggestions for future videos, please put them in the comments below. Please subscribe to this channel and watch for more Tech Bits coming soon. Don't forget, technology is your friend. Use it to improve your genealogy.